It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York. On our way to West Palm Beach, Florida, yeah!
Hero of the moment. Just went back and saved my tripod from the clutches of the plane.
Hey, we got it, baby.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Just landed in West Palm Beach.
Let's go get Payway.
What is Payway?
So it's the fast food version of P.F. Chang's.
Yeah, Ryan was telling me about that.
It's really good. Anyway,
yeah.
I'm looking forward to seeing some beaches.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about hitting the Queen movie tonight.
Nice.
You know, I might even do some outlet shopping. I don't know. I don't know if I'll have time.
Me neither.
Where's the bag?
Ginny should be getting here any minute. It's the first time I've seen her since we left for tour. Where's my wife at? I think this might be her. Maybe. We're gonna find out. My wife! So good. I'm gonna relive this so many times. Man stuff, get suitcase. Get backpack. Don't let wife carry anything. But equality though. Oh, thank you. Hi.
Hey, I was gonna fill in. I thought you would hear it, so I was like, I'm not doing it.
Nice. Look at you. I was trying to finish laundry before you got here, but now I just have a bunch of mostly dry clothes on my bed. Getting some lunch. Oh, we need to go over here. Crosswalks this way. Ginny's here.
I'm here.
Yeah. Hashtag wife visit. I was gonna say conjugal visit, but it's inappropriate, right?
It's not false.
It's not false.
Look at this tiny canoe.
Wouldn't even support my body weight. We're at Payway, which is like the fast food version of P.F. Chang's, and Ginny broke her chopsticks.
Rude. Where did you point that out?
I just think it's funny that you're like, no, these will do.
Well, it's not hurting anything. It's like totally usable in a way.
Can you just like zoom in on that really quick? Close up on the chopsticks.
Nobody uses that side. I don't get it.
They look like an instrument of murder or torture.
Walk these streets with my six string. Cause he's mine. Here I go again on my own.
You have to flip it up on your head. Here I go again one more time and then we're good. Alright. You got it. And I'm gonna hold on for the rest of my day. 'Cause I know to walk along here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I've ever known. Hanging at the pool with my sweetie.
I feel like you're so 1950s.
What do you mean?
I mean, you've got your short shorts that are brightly colored and you're hanging with your sweetie.
Hanging with my sweetie. With my best gal. Hanging by the pool. This is the part where the rest of the barbershop quartet joins in.
Yeah.
Hanging by the pool with my sweetie, with my best gal.
That's me.
That's you.
I always look at this instead of right there. The wrong hole.
I need to.
So we're in Florida.
Yep.
So it's flipping hot,
Yep.
but I like hot drinks.
Yep.
So we're in the shade.
Yep.
So I can have my coffee.
It's 110 in the shade right now. Coffee.
And we spent all last night watching the midterms,
Yeah.
rolling.
Yeah. Michigan made some good decisions.
Yeah, and this morning
Pretty proud of
too.
Michigan right now.
Waiting to hear on the Georgia results, unless they just came in.
That's all for today. What is up, cast of Little Mermaid Jr.? My name is Kyle Jurassic. I'm an Anchor Bay High School alumnus, and Mrs. Root told me you guys are doing a killer job and you're opening your show soon. I'm here with the cast of Rock of Ages. We're on tour for the next 8 months. We just wanted to wish you a happy opening and rock on.
Rock on!
Yeah!
The whole new world.
Hi, my name is Aunt Jerry, and I would like to be auditioning for Drew. Here I go! You want some cookies?
What's up, girl?
Just get food.
Cool. We spent the morning chilling by the pool again today, doing some reading. Started raining, so we went into like the covered area. But
Yeah, but that was really nice
it
though.
was really nice, just chilling, hanging out with my best gal.
This one.
Now we're gonna go get some lunch. And then Ginny's gotta work.
Yeah, even though I get to hang by the pool, it's still not vacation.
Yeah.
No PTO for this girl.
Nope.
Took it all studying for a CPA exam.
Stupid. But we're together, and that's what's important.
That's true.
That's true.
That's true. That's true. That's Hamilton.
You should have crossed.
Yeah.
Whoops. Bye.
Look at that cute wall. Fresh hand-picked herbs.
Rude. Rude.
You think I'm fine? Hey, Darrell, what you up to?
Huh?
What you up to?
I was making some music, and now I'm listening to some other music for inspiration.
That's cool. Nice.
Came up with some good ideas. Been out here for about 2 hours. I think
Yeah.
I saw you and your wife over there.
Yeah, we were sitting over there earlier.
Wow, your shirt says Rap Talk and stuff. Oh, you wore that in rehearsal.
Sure did.
You wore that in rehearsal, I remember, because I commented on that. How cool I thought it was.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes.
Are you using your iPad as like your DAW?
I am.
Nice.
I am. I'm using a combination between Beatmaker 3 and GarageBand.
Nice. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Is this your like a condenser mic you got right
Yeah, I bought an iOS mic a few years ago, and it
Nice.
plugs straight into iOS devices.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I have like a whole studio set up at home, but obviously I couldn't bring that.
Yeah.
So I said, how can I make the most productive stuff with the least amount of equipment possible? And instead of bringing my interface and my XLR mic and my monitors, I bought a condenser USB mic, my iPad, and I have these mixing headphones so that I don't have to have monitors.
I love that.
Yeah. Because I'm serious about my music, man.
Yeah.
I'm trying to release things really soon.
You can find them on iTunes and Spotify.
iTunes,
Wayne
Spotify,
Bomb.
Deezer, Tidal, all that stuff.
Nice.
Release a fire. Go get my single. Yeah.
Link in the doobly-doo.
Good.
All right. I'll see you later. I'm recording a voiceover audition for a interactive video game project. So I'll be working on that for a couple minutes and submitting it online, and be good to go. I've got a nice tiny little audio interface that'll plug right into. I just use a Shure SM58 when I'm on the road, and a Shure X2U because you're able to get pretty solid audio quality without sacrificing too much space. Yeah, some cast pool time. What up, Sam Harvey?
Big baby. What's going on, dude?
Hey, big baby.
Katie, how you doing?
Put on some sunscreen.
Gotta be safe. Gotta not get that skin cancer. What up, pool people? How you doing?
Awesome. In the pool.
That's what we like to hear. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I was just like, that's not right. Right's right there.
Here I am, world. Wet.
Look at her go. Why is she running? I think she's.
I don't know.
I was about to leave, and I turned around and found some really nice shorts. $40.
We're at BJ's. It's the name of the restaurant. I got nachos. Hanging with friends. Oh hey. Oh hey. What's up? I'm like having a hard time getting everybody in the shot. This is. Hi baby. This is weird because my vlog is really directed toward you and you're here right now. So if you're watching this, I hope you remember hanging out with me right now.
Not gonna.
Not gonna. Come on, boo, give me a kiss. Almost nachos. I gotta run.
Mario, get
You
out.
gotta run. Ginny is leaving me this morning.
That was good.
Waiting for her Uber to the airport.
It's so early.
It's so early. It won't focus. It's so early my camera won't focus.
5:41.
It's 5:41.
He scheduled this flight. He sucks.
I'm sorry. I mean, the airline scheduled it. I just bought it. Actually, you bought it. I just told you which one to buy. You could have said no.
I tried.
Just did the last show at the Kravis Center in West Palm Beach. Heading to Target right now because we're gonna do a cast cookout, cast and crew hang sesh. So I'm gonna go buy some adult beverage for everybody to partake in because we're doing the potluck style. Yeah. You guys excited for this cookout?
Yes. I have lots of bags.
Are you guys excited to leave Florida?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
Say that. Don't bring that up.
What I mean is cookout.
Yes! Good job, good job.
I'm gonna just pretend that we're not leaving.
Cool.
Liz, you know, creating magic.
Aw, cookout. What's up, y'all?
Hi, Internet.
How you guys doing?
Doing well.
All day.
I was talking to
That's a
Marshall.
great atmosphere.
I was talking to Marshall about my Instagram, Misty2003, and how he should follow me.
Barbecue.
Yum.
I like donuts.
What's up, Brenna?
I have bread, and that's jam, and cheese. Is that what you meant by what?
Yeah.
Cool.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
We're getting in the pool. We're getting in the pool.
We're getting in the pool! Oh.
Are you having a good time?
I'm having the best time, okay?
We're having nothing but a good time.
Nothing
Nice.
but a good time.
Emily almost just had a not good time because I think Tebow was about to pull her
It
in.
almost pulled me into the pool. My deviated septum.
We're gonna play a game. We're playing pool nighttime games.
Yeah,
It's called Murder the Cat.
yeah, what's the game? What's the game?
The game is go get Kyle's phone. Yeah.
Sharks alive. Watch yourselves. I'm ready. Go for him, Kyle. The shark is gone. The boys are swimming. It's aggressive. It's aggressive. Chris Minnow is now the big shark in the water. Oh! Sharks in the water. Sharks in the water. Shark attack. L-A-K, a belly flop. The minnow misunderstands the game rules.
Go.
Back in the days of yore.
You can do it. You can do it.
Guys, I have Phantom Magpike.
Oh yeah! That's a real talent right there.
Oh, you guys were videoing that.
That's my real talent.
Is that in your resume, special skills?
It's so good.
That's actually really funny.
Scene.
Heading to the airport. It's been real, West Palm Beach. Next stop, Akron, Ohio. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Mark LeDuc with his rolly backpack. Gotta drink all your liquid before you go through.
Kombucha. I'm gonna have to pee so bad. Go pee. I have also this one's full too. So.
The chug line. Loving it.
Record me doing this. I looked stupid.
You look great. Darrell, you excited to get on this plane?
You know I have severe flight anxiety, so I'm never excited to get on the
sorry.
plane. But it is what it is.
Just a couple of plain Janes.
Yeah. I'm not playing. What are you talking about?
We're about to get on a plane. Plain Janes.
Oh.